This is a 2021 Chevy Silverado. It's a Trail Boss edition with a 5.3. We just installed a Flowmaster Super 44 muffler, but we're gonna see what it sounds like with that before we take the rear diffuser pipes off the back. See what kind of difference that makes. The customer wants a little more sound to it. Let's see what it sounds like. Okay, so we have taken the rear little resonated pipes off the back, as we call them, on both sides. Just going to give it a little bit more depth, a little deeper exhaust note. Let's see what it sounds like. See, it went up just a little bit on the decibel level, from a peak of about 96 to 98. Just enough to give it the right sound.